Good morning class 10th. Today again we will start our chapter control and coordination. In previous video we have studied about the stimuli and nerve cells, but in this video we are going to study about the reflex action. Reflex means sudden, action means whatever you are doing. So these are the responses against some very highly given stimuli due to which we are reacting very fast, such as whenever you are touching any hot object, you are removing your hand. Sometimes when a very pointed substance like a safety pin or stapler pin is punching in your hand and then you are just removing your hand back, that is called as the reflex action. So there are some actions in our body in which the brain may or may not participate, that are called as the reflex actions. That means maximum actions of our body are taking place when brain is participating. Suppose you are learning a topic, your brain is participating, you are reading it, you are revising it and learning it, and then whenever your exams are there, you will be writing that. But what happens, there are some actions like when you are touching a very cold object or very hot object. So at that time the message, if the message is going to your brain and then the response is coming back, it will take little bit more time and then your skin can burn or something, some kind of action is taking place. So at that time when there is very sudden response is required, at that time we are having the reflex actions. The best example is your knee jerk. Whenever your knees, we are hitting on your knee, it is jerking, it is vibrating, that is called knee jerk. So reflex action is considered as an immediate or sudden response to a highly intense stimuli. Like suppose this is a pointed pin or pencil and you are going to touch it. So this is your, you can say this is your finger. Okay, so what is happening? You are touching it with your finger at the tip. So your finger will be here. And these are your other fingers and this is your hand. So what will happen? As soon as you are touching here, what will happen? Your response is coming or reflex action is taking place. How? You are taking, your finger is going to take a message that something very pointed is hitting me. Then that message is going to your central nervous system through sensory neuron. And there are another neuron is motor neuron. This sensory neuron is taking the message from the body part to the central system or the brain. So it is the carrier from the organ to brain and this is carrying the message, response from brain to organ. That means the message which is going from your finger to your brain or central nervous system is through the sensory neuron, and when your brain or your central nervous system is saying remove your hand, so that message is coming back through the motor neuron. This is the basic system of your reflex action. So reflex action is basically, there is a stimuli which is from where we are getting the information, so that is called as the receptor. The message from receptor is going to the sensory neuron. From sensory neuron, it is going to your central nervous system or spinal cord. Then from here, it is coming to your motor neuron. From motor neuron, it is coming back to your, that receptor is now working as the effector. So it is coming back to your effector. So this is a complete path of a reflex action, and this complete path of reflex action is known as reflex arc. Clear? Till here we have done today. After this we will start in the next class. Thank you.